First of all, open up the Play Store on your device and search for Netflix at the top. Sometimes this error occurs if your application is not updated. So make sure your Netflix app is updated. If you see an update button instead of open, tap on it and update your app right away. Once the update is complete, head over to your device settings. Scroll down and find the apps section and search for Netflix. On this page, scroll down to storage and then tap on clear cache. After that, also clear the data. Keep in mind that clearing data will delete all of your account history and saved credentials. If you are okay with that, go ahead and confirm by tapping delete. After completing these steps, restart your device. In most cases, this will fix the Netflix error 5.10 issue. That wraps up today's tutorial.